Hey guys, in this video I'm going to be showing you how to create SMS notifications to your cell phone whenever a particular user tweets under a Twitter account. Now, why would this be useful? Well, this will be useful if you're pretty much stalking somebody or you have kids and you're curious when they tweet, you want to get it on your phone, or you're a hardcore fan of some type of business, or you're running your own business and you're curious every time someone tweets here, you receive a tweet or something of that nature, you want to get it on your cell phone. That's the only things that I could think of. Why would you want to do something like this? But there is no feature like that yet, and that's why I want to introduce it with this new service called Zapier. Basically, I'm going to create what they call a Zap, which is a new app that will connect to Twitter and will listen in on somebody's tweets. And every time they put a tweet, it's going to send a text message to my phone, and it's going to tell me, hey, this person just tweeted. So it's kind of like a notification without having a Twitter account. I can actually make it either email or do anything of that nature, but I'm going to go and create a brand new Zap or app or a task, and I'm going to trigger from Twitter. I'm going to say the trigger is going to be as whenever a specific user tweets, or whenever I can even put a search term. I want to have a new follower. I want something to happen. I'm going to say user tweet, and now it's going to say, well, what's the action that you want done? So in this case, I'm going to put in phone, and I'm going to say, send me a text message, trigger an SMS to a number. I could do that, or I could say trigger an email, or I could say retweet, automatically tweet someone else's stuff. I mean, all automatic without you having to do anything. It's just going to do it. But in this case, I'm going to choose how to send a SMS as for SMS notification. And this will be also really good if there's a particular person I'm following. Or a company I'm following, or someone specific that I might want to be alerted differently than just seeing a little pop up on my iPhone with a little one in the corner, but actually want to get a real text message. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to set these settings here. So whenever there's a user tweet, send a SMS to my phone, and I'm going to click on continue, and I'm going to select my Twitter account. I'm actually going to connect my Twitter account. I'm going to authorize it. And there you go, it's connected. And I'm going to click on continue. And now I'm going to select a phone account, which I already added my phone in here. It just sends you a text message to verify your number. I'm going to click on continue. And now it's going to say, well, who do you want to watch? What's the username? Let's say I'm stalking Kim Kardashian. I don't know, it's the only big pop person I could think of. You know what? Let's say I'm stalking Ray William Johnson. I'm actually a big fan of him, but all right. And I'm going to say continue. And now it's asking me, all right, so whenever Ray William Johnson tweets, what do I want sent to my phone? So the text message I get to design. Say I want to say the message is going to be RWJ, say RWJ just tweeted. And then I'm going to click on insert field. And I'm going to say he just tweeted. And then I'm going to put the text in there. Let me just stick in the text. So what's happening now is that whenever Ray William Johnson tweets, I'm going to receive a text message saying RWJ just tweeted and then the text. So this is the actual app, and it runs live, and once I publish it, it's just going to stay published, and it's always going to be SMSing me. And I'm not going to publish this for the simple fact that I don't want to get bombarded. But you see here how I designed the workflow, and this is so cool. And my other video actually had, in my SkyDrive automation, I showed more of this service where you can trigger all these workflow and do these automations. You know, I just focused on SkyDrive previously, but this is just the steps of a workflow, you see. Step one is you pick the trigger and the action. Step two is I select the accounts. I link the two accounts together. And then I say, all right, pick the person. And then I create an action, what I want to happen. In this case, I want it to be a text message. I can have it automatically email. I can have it automatically do certain things. Again, it doesn't have to be just SMS me. I can pick a different service to link. For example, which really popular is LinkedIn. I could say whenever Ray William Johnson tweets, I can have LinkedIn create a brand new update of his tweet without me having to do it. Or let's say I'm working with, I'm just typing here, Facebook, and whenever a certain person tweets or my company tweets, instead of me having to manually go to Facebook and put it up there or widgetize it, I can just have this particular application go and create a new event from the tweet, or create a new page stream, create a new post from the tweet itself. Very, very cool to automate. So this is more like Twitter automation. They added really, really cool things in here. You have multiple triggers. Whenever you tweet something, you can have it do something, or whenever you receive a mention, or whenever a particular person tweets, you can have multiple actions. You can actually connect this with CRM, Zoho, RSS. You can connect this with Salesforce, and you can trigger phone calls and text messages, and it's just awesome. So that was the point of the video, not just to show you that you can do automation with Twitter, but it's also to show you the fact that you can do a lot more things and save a lot more time by using certain services, mainly this service. I'm happy to be in love with this service because I happen to use it, and I'm very, very, very happy with the results I'm getting. You save so much time. So this is how you automate Twitter. By meaning automate is what you would normally have to do like 3 times, you would do with 1 click using this. And whenever you publish this, it would actually be sitting on your dashboard. And you'll see here that this is not live right now. It's actually unfinished because I didn't publish it. But once it's finished, it will be live. And it would automatically just sit there listening to Twitter over and over and over and over. Every about 15 minutes, it's going to pick up whatever action you gave it, whatever trigger, and then it's going to do whatever you ask it to do. And it's going to keep a history of it right here. And tell you how many times it did it and what times it did it. You see here, I already deleted my SkyDrive one. That's the other video. You should watch it if you like the service because it's really, really remarkable. So this is my video for Twitter automation and for automation period. Thank you guys for watching, and thank you for watching all my videos. Thank you for subscribing, and just thank you. I'll see you guys later. Bye.